Good morning, Yellow Medicine East middle and high school staff. This is a quick little video talking today about getting the information of the materials that our students have out and how we will be communicating with them via email. You can see the list here, which is in Google Classroom, also shared by Andrea out of here at the office. The student master or student checkout master data 1920 is the information where everything is at. You will see the first tab located on the sheet will be the master tab. In here you will see all of our students who currently are sorted by advisory at this point. As you can see, I put a sort arrow up at the top for you to be able to find your classes. If you have any issues, you may be able to go into it and you will be able to find your class as easy as a click of a button. As you can see here, I will be using Mr. Herneman as an example. Thank you once again, Mr. Herneman. The student that I will be focusing on today is Kian Christensen. The information we have here, as you can tell, for all of Kian's textbooks and items he has out, I will highlight right here, and then I will copy it so I can paste it into an email. I am now in the gradebook under my homeroom where I can see Kian and his information located right here. I will be copying the emails to mom and dad. As you can see, I have opened up a tab where I will be sending an email directly to them. It might work better if you have it within a Google Classroom and then just add the parents' emails into that initial one to the student. As you can see, I've opened up the document that was shared with you called the Student Checkout Timeline. Here you will see this is where we had the potential message that you can copy and paste to place into that email. As you can see here, once I have pasted that message in there, you can personalize it if you would like to. Also add any contact information that you would like. But once you place it in there, it's as easy as hit send, and all of the information that is needed to be returned to the classroom teachers will be out there for students and parents to review. If you have any questions, please let me know. We had talked about sending this out to all students in grades 6 through 11 by Wednesday. Thank you for all you do.